Have you walked by the tent cities in LA and Anaheim? Well, if you have, then you can see that we have a very big homelessness crisis in our area. This issue affects everybody because helping the homeless can help clean up an area or an environment and make the community safer and cleaner and just overall better. But what are some solutions? How can we help these people get back on their feet? Well, for that we have to find a cause, and homelessness has so many, including high housing costs, crime, mental illness, and lack of education. In fact, in California alone, 34% of the population is homeless. These facts are brought by security.org. ABC 10 also reports that the homeless veterans in California alone represent 31% of the homeless veteran population in the country. One big reason that there are so many people on the streets is addiction. According to Stanford University, 27% of all homeless adults in Los Angeles County struggle with a substance use disorder. This can be compared to 25% of homeless adults in LA County who struggle with a severe mental disorder such as schizophrenia. So what can be done to help these individuals? Well, besides helplines like SAMHSA's National Helpline, the Los Angeles Times has reported that Senator Scott Weiner, a Democrat in San Francisco, is pushing to allow San Francisco, Oakland, and Los Angeles City and County to approve controlled substance use sites. These sites would be designed for the supervised or safe consumption of drugs. These sites have already existed around the world in places such as the Netherlands, Germany, and Canada. These sites have proven to prevent deaths due to diseases such as HIV and other illnesses that can be caught by sharing a needle or using a dirty one. Not only that, but these centers also provide a cleaner environment for citizens, as it has also been found that the amounts of public nuisances and hazards such as discarded needles have decreased as well. It has also been found that in Switzerland, these facilities have also reduced deadly overdoses and declined the amount of public drug use as well. And these sites have come to the US. Researchers in the United States discovered that one unrevealed location here has overseen 10,000 injections over the last 5 years, and they have prevented 33 opioid-related overdoses due to the trained medical staff being there. With all of these facts in mind, California was presented with a bill that could have built some of these sites right here. In 2022, Governor Gavin Newsom vetoed this bill, meant to allow a handful of cities in California to operate some of these facilities. In his veto message, he voiced his concern that these sites could worsen the drug crisis or result in unintended consequences. As you can imagine, the results of this have been tragic, as in 2022 alone, 109,000 people died of drug overdoses as reported by Channel 11 News. These facilities can help not only the homeless, but also a lot of people struggling with addiction. The numbers of homeless people and people with severe addiction are tragic to anyone with a heart. The homeless are people. They're humans who could have better lives, but unfortunately, we have become desensitized to seeing people struggling in such a way. These people, many of whom have served this country, deserve a second chance at life. These facilities can help make that possible. These trained professionals can help people get back on their feet and off of drugs and other deadly substances. Many of these struggling individuals have gone through the unimaginable and just need a second chance. We can help them by building these sites and ensuring that they get a good chance. These facilities can also offer programs to help people recover and get a job or better education. But what can we, as citizens, do to help these individuals? Well, voting is a very good way to help. By voting for candidates who have their best interests in mind, they can ensure that people that need it get the chance that they deserve to get better. And according to the New York Times, volunteering at your local food pantry or homeless shelter, or even donating when you can really help those in need. Volunteering can have many benefits, not only to those you are helping, but also to yourself. By donating your time to people, you can see how much people are struggling, and it can inspire you to donate money or take a bigger role in helping, or even just helping you or others you know care a little bit more. So let's work to make a difference in our community. Thank you.